Hi, in front of me is Oppo A54 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now click on Personalizations and tap on Themes. Over here, choose Allow, and as you can see, this is the default theme that you can apply by tapping on it and clicking Home button. But you can also go back into the same settings, choose style of your icons, go back, tap on App Layout, pick numbers of columns and rows over here, go back again, choose colors, and pick one of these color themes by tapping on the chosen one and clicking Apply. You can also pick one of these single colors by doing the same. Then click on Font and Display Size, and over here you can pick your font style by clicking on it and change size of your font. When you're done, choose Apply and click on Notification Draw. Over here you can pick shape of your icons in the tab menu. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it and go back. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!